The APK11 is an automatic pilot kit that will enhance the warmth and ambiance of your home. To light your APK11, first start by locating the valve knob on the right. Use only your hand to operate the knob. Before operating, be sure to smell around the appliance for gas. If gas is sensed, call a professional service technician. Now make sure the safety control valve is turned to the off position. Next, turn the safety valve knob to pilot. Push the safety valve knob fully in and at the same time place a long match or lighter at the pilot burner. The pilot will light. Hold the safety knob in for approximately 60 seconds so the pilot will remain lit. If the pilot fails to light, there may be air stuck in the valve. Push the knob in for up to 2 minutes to clear the air out of the valve. To turn the gas log set on with the pilot lit, turn the safety valve knob to the on position. Then switch the toggle switch control to the on position. By following these simple steps, you are now ready to enjoy your Real Fyre fireplace. To turn off the gas log set, switch the toggle switch control to the off position. To turn the pilot off, push in and turn the knob to the off position. To light your fireplace using your transmitter, make sure the pilot is lit and the toggle switch is turned to the off position. Also be sure that the transmitter and receiver are connected properly and that the receiver box is turned to the remote setting. All that's left to do is hit the on button on the transmitter and enjoy your fireplace.